Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs like Waffle House. First, crack 2 large eggs into a bowl. The secret to their fluffy texture begins here. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of water to the eggs, not milk or cream. This helps create steam, making the eggs incredibly light. Whisk them vigorously for about 30 seconds until they are pale yellow and slightly frothy. This aeration is crucial for achieving that signature Waffle House fluffiness. Now let's talk about the cooking surface. Waffle House uses a flat-top griddle, but a good non-stick pan works perfectly at home. Heat your pan to a medium-low temperature. You don't want it too hot, as this can lead to dry eggs. Melt about 1 tablespoon of butter or margarine in the pan, ensuring it coats the entire surface. Once the butter is shimmering, pour your whisked eggs directly onto the pan. The key to that distinct Waffle House texture is in the gentle handling. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the bottom to set slightly. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center, tilting the pan to let the uncooked egg flow underneath. Continue this folding and pushing motion, rather than vigorous scrambling, until the eggs are mostly set but still slightly moist. Avoid overcooking for maximum fluffiness. Your Waffle House-style scrambled eggs are almost ready. Remove them from the heat when they are still a little wet and shiny. They will continue to cook slightly from residual heat. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper right after they come off the pan. This ensures the flavors are perfectly distributed. Serve these incredibly fluffy and delicious eggs immediately with a side of crispy bacon, hash browns, or toast for a complete breakfast experience. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.